Today, the 4 cartoon cars are driving to the paintball park to play paintball. Look, they have arrived. Do you know how to play paintball? We can shoot each other with paint and we use a special paint gun. It's a lot of fun and no one will get hurt. Okay, cars, put on your paint guns. Next, the cars will fill their guns with paint. What colours will they choose? Green car takes green paint, red car takes red paint, yellow car takes yellow paint, and blue car, blue paint. What about some more colours too, cars? Brown paint, black paint, orange paint, and violet paint. Now, let's watch the cars use their guns to spray paint at these white walls and make the walls the same colour as themselves. I like the red car's wall the best. Oops! The yellow car sprayed yellow paint onto the red car. Now he is chasing the yellow car around the paintball park. The blue car wants to follow them. Look out, green car. The blue car shot you with paint. Now all the cars are chasing each other and shooting paint at each other. They look like they are having great fun playing paintball. Ah, the green car is the target now. And now he is chasing them. Do you have any paint left, cars? No? Then fill your guns again. Here is the paint station. Oh, blue car, you knocked over the paint station. The different colour paints are all mixing up together. I think it's going to take you all a lot of time to clean up this paintball park, cars. What do you think? Shall we get some help to do that? Okay, let's go and find help. See you later, cars.